Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I thought I'd do a quick little video of what I am giving my bridesmaids for their proposal boxes. They won't see this, or I'm not posting this until they've all gotten their boxes, so nothing's going to be like a spoiler or anything. I'm not even sure if they know I'm posting videos. So I just thought we would kind of get right in. I'll show you everything that I got, and then I will kind of assemble the box and show you what the assembled box looks like. And then also, sorry for the lighting, it's like after 5 o'clock and it's dark, so I just have overhead lighting. I didn't want to drag my ring light out, so it is what it is. The first thing that I got for all of them were these bracelets. Some stuff I got off of Etsy, and some stuff is like Amazon. But the theme that I'm going with for the wedding is kind of like woodsy but moody, and moons and stars, you know, celestial stuff. Like witchy but not Halloween or tarot card. Not like that. It's not my vibe. It's cool. It just wouldn't be us. So anyway, the bracelet that I got, I'll try to link everything below if it's still available. So each of them got a bracelet with their zodiac sign on it, and I don't know if you'll be able to tell. You can kind of see. One side has the constellation on it, and the other side has like a tarot card of their zodiac. And then there's also a little circle charm. These are really hard to show. There you can kind of see. This one's Taurus. And I also liked how the chain was a mixed chain. So these are pretty cool. And these are 18 karat gold. And they said on the website they had really good reviews, the shop did. You can like get them wet and all that stuff, and it won't bother it. So they're all getting one of those bracelets, and they can either wear them day of the wedding or not. I just thought it would be neat. And of course I had to get myself one too. And then I just carried a whole bunch of stuff in the house and went up and downstairs, and so. These are the softest flannels. I got them from Walmart. And originally my colors were going to be kind of green, like the dresses and stuff, but I couldn't find the green that I wanted. But I thought these would be cute for all of us to wear when we're getting ready, you know, so we don't have to like take a shirt off over a fresh makeup and hair. So everyone's getting one of these. These are like the super soft flannels from American Eagle. They're like that quality. So those were really nice. And they were like $9. They had a ton of colors. And then everyone's also getting a pair of slippers. I got these on a really good deal from Amazon too. I've been watching them, you know, they have like coupons and stuff sometimes. So they say, I do crew. I don't know if that's backwards for you or not. They say I do crew, and then they're the Dear Thumbs brand. I just thought they were really cute. This is like a gold thread, and then mine are white, and they say I do, and then they've got a ring on them, and it looks like my ring. So I thought that was cute. We can all match for that. And then to go, sorry, I've got some stuff sitting on the table where, and by table I mean tote and laundry basket where you are sitting. I've got these cards. They're blank on the inside, so I'm just gonna write notes to all of them in there and ask them to be in the wedding. I'm not picking like maids or matrons of honor, all that stuff. I just want my sisters with me when we get married. So sorry. These, I was on Bath and Body Works the other day anyway, and they had a pack of these, so I went ahead and grabbed that. I just thought it'd be cute to throw in there. Plus I really like that smell. And then these are actually from Sutter Home. I couldn't find mini champagne bottles. And plus these are plastic, so I like that. So this is what they came in. And then these sticker labels I got off of Etsy. They say pop to say yes. And then I have different glasses that I'm really sorry. I have different glasses that we will use day of for like pictures and toasts and stuff like that. I'll try to put in a picture if I can figure out how to do that. They are from the 90s and they are like fluted champagne flutes, and the stems are black. I thought it'd be really neat. But these I just found at the Dollar Tree. I thought they'd be kind of fun. Let me see if I can. There, you can see it a little bit better. Except for the squad part. Whatever, you get the idea. I'm not calling them my squad. That's not me at all. But I thought they were cute and it was a fun thing to include. Is that everything? I can show you the boxes. I got them in a pack of 3. It was hard to find just a pack of 3. A lot of them are like a pack of 5 or 1 for a really expensive price. So these are 14 by almost 10 by almost 5. And then they were really easy to put together. They were just little adhesive pieces already on it. You just peeled off the paper, folded it up, stuck it together. And then this is a magnetic closure plus the bow. And then they just open up. And I also got, this is in the floor. I also got this star tissue paper off of Amazon. I couldn't find like just plain metallic tissue paper anywhere local, so I went to good old Amazon. You get quite a bit, and it's I mean double the size. It's folded over again, so put that in there. But then I'm going to start a new clip. I'll put it all together and then show you what it ends up looking like. And then before I do that, I thought I would do start another video before I even finish this one and show you what I got. Me and my mom went out shopping today. We got all the flowers for my bouquet, my sister's bouquets. We got all the boutonnieres for everyone. What else did we get? That was all wedding related. I'm not going to show you that now. I might show a video of like putting it together, but I don't want to spoil it too far out because wedding's not until October. So I'll grab this giant bag over here and went to Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx, and Target. So I'm gonna start a new clip and I'll see you in a minute. Actually, I'll see you in whenever I end up posting this video. Okay, so I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see this, but I thought I could kind of do it on camera with you. So I'm just gonna layer in some tissue paper in the bottom. I'm sorry if I whack the camera or if it's obnoxious. I'm gonna remove like the plastic and like any price tags and stuff. And then I've just got the shirt rolled up. I'm gonna see if I can adjust the lighting when I edit the video because I know it's not very good. Just gonna roll the shirt up and then I gotta find the right pair of slippers to stick in there. I forgot I was supposed to do the slippers first. Stick that in there like that, and we'll stick the shirt over here. And then get another sheet of paper for each glass. And I'm trying to hurry before everybody gets home. Maybe you can see. No, you can't see it any better. Well, like the more I try to hurry, the more jacked up I get. So just like that, and then I'll tuck it. How did I do this? I don't remember how I did this. And then same thing, these. Same with that. Let's see if I can tuck this in one of the slippers. No, I cannot. So we'll just kind of stick it in like that. And then I'm just gonna put the, where are we? Hand sanitizer. Just kind of in here, and then can't forget the bracelet. I gotta figure out who gets what. This is from my Taurus sister. I'll just kind of prop that in there, and then I'm not gonna fill these out on camera. I'm not gonna show you what I write in them because it's special, but then I'll just stick that on top. And I may, since some of these I'm mailing, I'm gonna probably tuck in some more tissue paper, but that's kind of the gist of it. So I hope this is exciting for you, or at least enjoyable to watch. And then you just close it up, tie it, and then I've already spoken to the mail lady. She said I can just wrap them in solid paper because she didn't have a box big enough for these to go into. So we'll just do that, wrap them up solid, and then turning it around, don't know where I'm supposed to look, and then ship them off that way. So I'm really excited for my other two sisters to get theirs. One of them lives closer, so I was able to actually see her open it and all that stuff. So that was really, really special. And yeah, I think that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and there will be one up probably after this. I did a small haul. We were out doing like the wedding flower shopping today, and I just got a few other little things, so I did a haul for that. So I hope that you enjoy the videos, and in that video I asked for suggestions of content that you want me to create for you. So I'm going to ask here too if you could just kind of let me know things that you would be interested in seeing, and I will try to work on that for you. I hope you have a great day. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.